Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Turejo Foot Spa Massage device with e-bath, motorized massage rolls, Pumice stone, bubbles, infrared lights, and pedicure kit. It is a digital adjustable temperature control and it has a timer on board to help relieve food stressless. So you have here an upgraded motorized foot spa massage device. Oh yeah, 6 automatic rolls more effectively stimulate all the acupressure points of your soles. A combination of automatic roll massage, oxygen bubble massage, outer heating, foot stone massage, and infrared light therapy to help relieve the stress and the fatigue, improve your sleeping quality, enhance blood circulation to improve metabolism. The heated foot spa massage device has a water temperature which can be set between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 35 degrees Celsius up to 48 degrees Celsius with a Safe PTC Heater. Speed heating to your comfortable temperature and outer maintain the water temperature until it is reached. The bottom heat dissipation design offers super double protection. It is equipped with an outer rotating pedicure stone. The included nail file and brush target to help them remove the dead skin and smooth your feet easily. Use it with the foot spa massage device to have a better improved foot skin appearance. This will keep it fresh and smooth. Additional infrared lights help sterilization of your feet. Keep them clean and in a good device and in a good shape, of course. It will be great to add essential or absent salt for a nice foot spa therapy. It is an inbuilt timer function. Just one button to set an ideal massage time. It came with an invisible portable handler and automatic drain. Super convenient to move the food bath tube and empty the tube itself. And there's enough large base to perfectly fit up to a man size of 15 foot. Yeah. Good for person use with large feet. Of course, if you have tiny feet, it's okay too, okay? It's no problem. This device, FDA certification, it certifies quality ensure our safety. All the foot spa massage are on strict inspection before packaging. Yeah! And this is a foot spa bath massage device. Model is MM19B. And yeah, it's really nice. It is really large. My feet will have enough space inside. You have the rated voltage is 220 up to 240 volt. The frequency is 50 Hz. The rated power is 500 watt power. And the weight is about 2.8 kilograms. The dimensions are 420 to 360 to 280 millimeters. Then do not pull the cord or pull the product with the cord to avoid damaging the power cord or itself. Horizontally place the product in use and store it in it after use. Do not use the product without water. After use, please cut off the power supply. Unplug the power cord and then get out the water by using the cover on front of the device. Please stop using the product when you feel uncomfortable, dizziness, heat edge, etc. Keep the power cord or the plug dry in use and stay away from the heat. People who are not suitable for a product, including cardiac patients, pregnant women, and people with several cerebral thrombosis, or they should use the product after consulting the doctors first. Do not stand and place heavy objects on or in the product. Do not pour hot water over 45 degrees Celsius into the product directly. These are not Celsius, it's Fahrenheit. This may cause food scale or high temperature deformation of the product itself. Do not use the product temporarily if there is inflammation, trauma, or scald on your feet. Do not add corrosion liquids and liquids with particles or fluids into the water spa. People who should use the product under the help of others, including children or people insensitive to temperature. Do not use the product within 30 minutes before or after you have a meal. This is... I don't know if this is important. It's only to your feet, or... Do not place your feet on the grinding stone for a long time or press forcefully on grinding stone to prevent injury to our feet. Do not extend our fingers and toes between the two massage wheels after the machine is powered up. Woo! But it's okay. These are the attentions. But if you are using this in a standard way, you will not harm you. Well, you will not get any problem. I will show you later in the video how I'm using it, and it was really fun. So, if you have some problems with no heating, then maybe it's unconnected to the power supply. Check and connect to the power supply is the solution. It's not working. Operate working procedure abnormally after power on. Then the solution is operate correctly according to user manual. If it stopped working halfway, work time reached default time, then restart the device. So now we will get a little bit of water inside. Here you can see maximum range and there is minimum. You have to fill it up to between minimum and between the maximum range. I dipped now a little bit of water inside, 2 times cold water, then 1 times hot water to get a better temperature inside if I'm starting with my spa. And then I will dip, I think it was 4 liters or 5, until the nearly maximum is range. On the top side of the device, you have a handle. You have a panel there. A grinding stone is in the center. You have the bucket is really large bucket, really. There is enough space for so much chicken. That was only a kidding joke, okay? You have a control panel with different control units. You have the heat source is in the upper center. You have the massage walls, right and left. These are tubes which are going to rotate. And you have the baseboard. Yeah. And here we fill in with fresh water. It is okay. It's not hot right now. And because the device itself has the heating option, but the heating will cost a little bit of time. And if I'm dipping my feet inside and it's so cold, like 5 or 10 degrees Celsius, it will be a long time until the heater will heat my water inside the basket up, okay? Not the basket, the bucket. So for this, I used a little bit of hot water. So now let's perform a foot bath with this device. So get the power on and add the water. Place the product flat and add moderate water, approximately 35 degrees Celsius. Warm water is recommended to reduce our waiting time. Then connected to master power supply. The display screen shows off. Then start up and shut down. Press the power button and the product starts up. The screen shows the current water temperature. Oh yeah. Press the button again and the product shuts down. The screen shows off. So now let's temperature adjustment. Press temperature plus and temperature minus button, and each press increase 1 degree centigrade. The highest temperature is 48 degrees Celsius. When adjusting to 48 degrees Celsius, each press reduces 1 degree centigrade. The lowest degree is 35 degrees Celsius. Such reciprocation adjustment sets the temperature. You have a red and bubble button there. A red light and bubble button. Press the red light bubble button. The product turns into red light mode. Press the button again. The product turns to red light and the bubble mode. Press the button again. Turn off the red light and the bubble itself. So here's the work time thing. Here you can see the red light. And now let's see the bubbles. The work time, the default working time is 60 minutes. The product shut down automatically after 60 minutes continuously working. It is not adjustable, but you can restart it after 60 minutes. This is a safety thing. The massage button. There are 3 massage buttons. Press a button. It is level 1. Then press the button twice, then it's level 2, and if you choose number 3, it's the third program. The default massage time is 15 minutes, and you have the grinding stone in the center. Start the massage mode, and grinding stone rotates with the massage rollers. Turn off the massage mode, and the grinding stone stops rotating too. So, end of the foot spa. Press the power supply button on the screen and it shows off. Pull the plug and pour out of the water. Wow, the Foot Spa Bath Massages product designed for foot massage and bath. And it was really nice. I liked it and I will continue to do this. So easy it is to use it and it was comfortable. The Turejo Foot Spa Massage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.